Good morning. We're here at the Polo Club in Henley. Really nice polo team. Doing very well from what I understand. Well, we've got to do these windows on this building here, which Graham I think has already done. We've got the hoses there coming out of the side of the van, obviously feeding the pure water. Going off, but let's see if we can go and find him around the back here somewhere. It's a really nice place, this. The fella's got a lot of money. There he is. Cleaning away, using the old pure water system. For those of you that have never seen this pure water system before, your tap water is filtered through a system of filters, and it basically takes all the iron, all the minerals, all the lime scale out of the water. So the bits that are actually on the glass that leave the marks are extracted from the water, so when it dries it leaves a streak-free finish. Obviously he's washing all the frames as well, all the whole door. Obviously we scrub the windows and frames with the brushes, and then we rinse with the water after, and that just gets everything off of the water, off the window, sorry. The good thing about this water, because everything's extracted from the water, it acts as like a magnet, because the water wants to hold minerals which we've taken out. So the water now is acting as a magnet on the dirt to attract the dirt into the water as we rinse it down and off the glass. So it's quite powerful stuff. And again, it is just water, there's no chemicals in it, so there's no it's quite sort of green, you know, it's quite friendly to the environment. And obviously if there's plants below the windows, they get a free water as well. You see how he starts at the top of the window, working from top to bottom. I mean, this pole system is absolutely fantastic on windows like this, because obviously doing it the old-fashioned way with a squeegee, we used to have to do each pane of glass, then wipe each pane of glass with a rag, and obviously as you can see, just running over the whole lot, frames and everything. Saves loads of time, and it's a really good, thorough, efficient clean. Anyway, we're going to be carrying on. I'm going to be carrying on down the other end. You just about to see my hose there, going down to the windows up here. He's got to do all of these. He'll be working his way down. I've got to do down this end. I left my pole on the floor for a minute so I can do this quick short video. Right, I'm going to leave you guys there. I'm going to pick my pole up and start working again. I've done that one. I've got to move on to the next one just there. Alright guys, see ya, bye.